In this video, we will start working with diagram C2. In C2, we have given the angle QPB equivalent to 62 degrees. And so, we can use this in order to find the following angle, OPB. Now you can notice the formation of a right angle between OP and QR. And so in such case, QPO is equal to 90. And since QPB is equal to 62, so OPB would in such case be equal to 90 minus the angle QPB, which is 62 degrees. And so that would be 28 degrees for the angle OPB. Now, the following angle, OBP, the angle facing the previous one. Since they are both in the same triangle OPB, and it is an isosceles triangle, since OB is equal to OP and radii of the same circle are always equal, so that means that both angles are equal to each other. OPB and OBP are equal to 28. So OPB equal to OBP, which is equal to 28 degrees. Now moving on to the following angle BOP. We are still working within the same triangle OPB. The triangle that we just mentioned that it was isosceles. And since it's isosceles, we say 180 degrees is the sum of angles. And we have already 28 plus 28 degrees for both base angles. And so in such case, once we add BOP, we're going to have the total of 180 degrees. So BOP would then be equal to 180 degrees minus 56, the sum of both base angles. And so that would be 124 degrees for BOP. Finally, BAP. We have discussed a rule in the previous tutorial that says that an angle located from the circumference facing the same arc of a central angle is half the amount of that central angle. And so BAP would then be equal to half of BOP, which means that it is half of 124 degrees, which then would be 62 degrees.